Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to introduce you to Microsoft Excel. So if I'm saying Microsoft Excel, then it simply means a spreadsheet program created by Microsoft, and it helps us in organizing, creating, recording, analyzing data in our computer. So a Microsoft Excel, if you want to use it, you can go to a startup menu. It's located at the left bottom of our computer. You tap on it to open and you write Excel. So as you are writing, it will just open like this, and you need to tap to open it. Yes, so this is what we call Microsoft Excel, and in a Microsoft Excel we have what we call a blank workbook, billing statement, and other things. So for us, we are going to look at a blank workbook because we are going to use a blank workbook. So in a Microsoft Excel we have what we call a ribbons, and a ribbons, this upper part is what we call a ribbons, and in a ribbons it contains file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view. It depends on the type of data you want to enter or the type of work you want to use. That's when you will use this type of ribbons. If you are creating something, you may use file, home, insert, file layout, formula, data, review, and view. So that's for ribbons, and it allows you to enter data, to insert formulas and other things. So below down here, this is what we call a workspace, and in a workspace we have what we call a row and a column. In a row, it contains alphabetical letters from A, B, C up to Z. Basically, I can say it in a row it contains 16,384 columns, because this alphabetical letter it form for us a column. This is what we call a column, which contains 16,384 columns. And then in a row, these letters forming a row contain 1,084,576 rows. So that one is for only one sheet, and if you want to add another sheet of paper, you can come to the bottom here, to the line bottom. You can see we have sheet 1, and if you want to add another sheet, you can either use this plus sign. You tap on it, then you see another column or another sheet added. You can tap and you see another sheet added, or you can even use this one. You can tap the right click, and then you see what we call insert. After inserting, it will bring for you something like this type, and then you press OK, and it will insert another sheet. So basically, this is how we add a sheet in our Microsoft Excel. And in a Microsoft Excel we have also what we call a name bar. This is what we call a name bar, and we also have what we call a formula bar. In a name bar, it helps us, or it shows the name of column we are in. The name of column we are in. As you can see, we are in column A, and here it has indicated that column A in a name box. So if you can change like this, you can see column 5 F5, column F in a row 5. So this row and column, these letters A, B, and then the number 1, 2, 3 is corresponding, like A1 1, 2 B, 3 C, 4 D, 5 E. So that is how it is organized, and you can be able to use after name bar. We have also what we call a formula bar. So in a formula bar, it helps us in editing, creating data, or if you want to edit some formula, you can use a formula bar. If you want to enter some other data or information, you can also use a formula bar. Or a formula bar can also help you to bring or to display the formula or the function you want to use. Like for our case, if you want to get the sum, you can press equal and sum. And using it will bring for you the function that you want to use, and you will be able to select the one you want to use. Like if you are writing S, it will bring all the function. This is S. We start with letter S. Let me try to change. If I have like A, it will bring all the function which start with letter A. So that is the function of a formula bar. So basically, this is the introduction of Microsoft Excel. I want to thank you for being with me. This is the end. So the next time we are going to meet, we are going to talk about how we can do things, how we can use a formula bar. So if you find this video so interesting, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends, relatives, and the world. Thank you for being with me. Follow me for more. I love you all.